This screencast is going to give a quick tour of Newsela. I've also heard it referred to as Newsela, so whatever you'd prefer. I'm signed in, and for time's sake, I skipped the whole create an account sign in process. You would need to do that obviously first. Also, when you set up your account, under the binder option, this would be where you would later go to see student assignments you've given. You enroll your kids and you get class codes to set up your classes, and you get a view of your classes and a view of student progress. So there's that ability with this program. So what exactly does it do? Newsela has recently published articles. If you check out these dates, May 20th of 2014, another one from May 20th, 2014, recently published articles here across many different grade levels and standards. You can search by these general topics right here, or you can kind of do a slightly more advanced search by a certain topic here to see what comes up. Narrow it down by grade level. Let's pick 9, 10 for now. Narrow it down by reading standard. We can pick that. You can choose to have it find quizzes only, articles that have a quiz attached, and that's what this little symbol is next to the category. When you hover, notice what comes up. The anchor standard language is coming up. So let's pick one of these options. If we click into the article, this one's talking about whalers of the Caribbean on the verge of disappearing, or Caribbean. If you scroll through the article, they're usually about the same length. And if you look at the language, the great thing about this resource is that, see how this starts out. It's whale hunting season on St. Vincent, a tiny nation of islands in the Caribbean Sea. But there have been many, so if you go through, that's written at this Lexile level, and I can change that for a student who may need something slightly more accessible. If I click this, watch how the language changes over here. It's the same article written at a lower level. So you can assign your whole class this article, but differentiate by Lexile level for certain students, which is awesome. It also has a quiz that you can then apply after the fact with some questions there. So this resource is really great. I would encourage you to explore it. Set up a fake couple of students in an account so that you can play around with the features of the binder. And I think you'll find this a pretty cool thing. Thanks.